in the medium-sized Dog Digs dog crate. All you need to do is set it down, open the crate up, pull the actual crate out, and then you're going to have a lever on both sides. What I do is this little black lever, push it out, pull this up till it pops, flip it over and do the other side. And then it's out. And there's your crate. And you can unzip it. Dog can come in. And then to take it down, all you have to do is release the same button, push it in, release the button, push it in, close it up, and then it fits back in the case nice and neat. Snip it up, put it on your shoulder, and you're ready to go.